You should think about launching your business on Amazon in the same way you would think about launching your business in a new physical store. Although the financial barrier to entry is lower, there's a similar amount of preparation and effort required to get your Amazon launch right. That's why Fluid SA follows a very detailed and lengthy process to get your account ready to sell on Amazon. We start with connecting with you, your business owners and key stakeholders. We'll do a compatibility analysis to ensure that your brand and your products can actually succeed on Amazon. And before you think they can't, you should really consider the range of products and businesses that do already experience fantastic success on the e-commerce giant. Once we've realized the compatibility of your business to Amazon, we'll start with planning. This starts with a deep business analysis, which includes a 3-year profitability forecast, which breaks down the different expenses and investment necessary to succeed on Amazon. In this preparation stage, we also make sure that your business is adequately prepared to facilitate orders. This means the logistic and storage process, one that we are entirely familiar with. Finally, in this stage, we'll dive into your brand's content to make sure that you're ready with photography, lifestyle imagery, and videography to stand out on a competitive Amazon marketplace. And everything we've described up until now is still offered completely for free. Only once we've engaged in the actual setup of your products on Amazon will we begin to charge. The reason we hold off on charging you until we've actually gone to the stage of listing your products is because we really have a partnership model. We have shared success and want to make sure that you can grow on Amazon, because your growth will also be our growth. When we start with the product listing stage, we do extensive keyword research to make sure that your products are search engine optimized for Amazon's algorithm with front-end and back-end implementation. In the setup phase, we'll also make sure that you've adhered to regulatory compliance for whichever country you are selling in. This can be quite a detailed process, but with our international experience, it's almost second nature for us. In addition to this, we actually curate, design, and implement brand content, lifestyle photography, and videography to make sure that your products and business are standing out on Amazon's complex platform. Our content is not just beautiful, it's inspired by data. With data-driven decisions, we make sure that your brand is positioned for success on Amazon. Once the setup phase is complete, it leads to the penultimate process, which is that of management. This is where our partnership model really comes to light, because we charge a commission off of Amazon revenue. This means we really put our money where our mouth is, and we're confident to say that you don't need to pay us big bucks unless we're earning you big bucks. In the management process, we follow an iterative, data-driven strategy to find marketing, advertising, and promotional activities that work for your business. We won't splash the cash into these campaigns until we find a strategy that is scalable. Once we've found this strategy, then we will scale your business and grow on Amazon. We will continuously edit your product listings, change little details about them based on data that we get back. Once the management phase is complete and we've established your business on one of Amazon's marketplaces with credibility in their algorithm, we will leverage that to expand into Amazon's marketplaces internationally. Globalization has never been easier than it is with Amazon and with our expertise.